Hey, what's going on, guys? Anthony back here. Today I'm doing a video on the Smittybilt Overlander XL Rooftop tent on the Thule Xsporter stand on a 2012 Ram 3500. Now I'm making this video because when I bought this stand and tent setup, there was not any videos on it or reviews. All the tents are on Jeeps, so this is a review for you guys that have a truck like mine. This is what the tent looks like on the stand. This is what the Thule Xsporter stand looks like on the truck bed. It's lowered pretty much all the way it can go. There's the tent. Now this stand is adjustable. All you have to do is loosen this on all four corners and lift it up. It'll go high enough. It'll go all the way for the bottom will be up here, so you got about another 1.5 feet. You can raise it. The tent's just held on by bolts with the hardware they give you in the box, and the stands just held down by clamps. So I'm going to start to open this thing up, and I'll do a time lapse. You guys can see what it's like to open, and basically just how to open it. So here we go. Now, because my truck's so big, I got to use this ladder, and don't try this at home, kids, not with a broken ladder like this one. So I got the cover off. There are two straps, one here, one there on both sides, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after you got all your straps off, there's a small strap here for the ladder, 2 pins. You just pull them out, twist them. Now they're ready to be locked in, and then you can slide your ladder down and clip it into the pin. Now if you're short like me, this is really hard. So we just got it open. Now we got to go inside and get all of our poles.
There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't.
So this is how the pole goes in. There's these little flaps. Spread the flap. There's the hole for the pin or the pole. You can kind of see. Just play with it. Slides in there. And just like that, the Smittybilt Overlander XL Rooftop tent is set up. Takes about 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Now we still got the rain fly on the top. Normally when we camp, this side stays down for privacy. One thing they could have done a lot better with this tent is I like this. I really like having this open. They should have made one more layer because it just has a mosquito netting. They should have made 2 layers like they did in the front. One for the that covers it, and then one for the mosquito netting, so you could still cover it while having this flap open. We got the side open, got the window open. This is what it looks like in the front. Now, one more thing they could have improved on is some kind of holes for straps here to strap to the ground so it holds it tight, because this one, this tent, it kind of droops in the middle. It droops in the middle already as it is, and you can see when I pull on it, it flattens it out. So when it droops in the middle, it collects rainwater and it just weighs it down, and you got to come out here and push it off. It's just really annoying. They could have done that a lot better. This is what it looks like from the side. Now I can't open this pop-up because here's the pins, the holes for the pins, because the poles actually hit the side of the truck. If the tent was raised up another foot, it would be a lot easier. So let's go up the ladder. Oh, one more thing. This is for your shoes. It's got 2 little eye hooks there. You know, you just put your shoes in there, you climb up, you hang off the side, you put your shoes in there, and then that's it. So let's climb up this ladder and we'll go look what's at the top. Okay, now when you enter the top, instantly this is the first privacy shade here. 2 zippers on each side. And then you're gonna have some of, I got this tied up here, but you got your mosquito netting and your main privacy flap. Now this is a very large bed. I'm not exactly sure what size. I'm pretty sure it's a king size bed. It's got 2 red straps, 1 on each side. Now those are for helping you pull yourself in when you get in. So let's go inside. So inside the tent, this is what it looks like. This is out the side. Now you can see where it would be nice to have one more layer for a privacy shade. It's got Velcro up here with an LED light strip. In here we got, it's just a USB connection, and we got a battery pack here. So let's plug this in and we'll see how bright it is. Very bright. This is very, very bright at nighttime, and it lights up the tent very well. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this back real quick and we'll keep going over the inside. Okay, now that's put away. We got 2 little entrances to look out to the stars. Now we got the rain fly on. I'll show you that. So we're gonna have to remove the rain fly, and then we'll be able to see through the top. That's how the rain fly comes off. So that's how the rain fly comes off. There's poles on each side with clips. You just take the clip off, 1 on each side. Then you just lift it, fold it down. Now I never take the rain fly off completely, just because you only have to remove 2 poles to get the roof access, and then there's really no point in taking the other half off. So it just unzips like this. Got your outside of the tent, privacy, whatever you want to call it. And then you got your mosquito netting on the inside. Now every flap that opens on this tent has these, so you can roll it up and clip it. I'll show you there. So you roll it up like that and you clip on the clips, and that's it. You can do the same thing for the mosquito netting. I'm not going to, just because I'm going to be putting this tent away right away. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Now it's very nice. You can see all your stars at nighttime. This is probably my favorite part of this tent. You know, you got breathing holes up here, you know, your poles to hold it up. Now the only thing I don't like about this tent is the mattress is a bit thin. This is the mattress. It's maybe 2 inches thick. long story short, when you're laying on the mattress, you can feel the floor of the tent, the base of the tent. So I mean, if you have a memory foam or something you can put on top of this or underneath it to raise it up, that'll work well. But other than that, if you buy this tent, it's going to be a hard sleep. Okay, just switched to the head mount to give you guys an up close and personal feel of how this works. So basically, you just zip up the mosquito netting, undo your clips here that hold the rolled up parts of the tent, roll that up. Then we're gonna grab our rain fly. We grab the rain fly here, bring it up. There's our second pole here. This is the one that we need, the important one. So we're gonna do this. It slides right into a pocket here like that. This clamp or clip, same thing for this side. Right onto here. Stretch this over this. Where is the clips here? So that's this side. Now this side's a little bit more trickier, just because it's kind of hard to do. But you just kind of put that in, clip. Okay, same thing for the other side. Now you kind of just got to feel where the clip, where the pocket is. There's the pocket, there's the clip. Let's put the clip in there like this. Then we'll slide this all the way down. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and zip up the privacy setting, privacy part. Where is it here? It's on this side. Okay, so let's zip this up. Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna zip up the mosquito netting on this side now. Actually, sorry, it's privacy flap first, then the mosquito netting. Mosquito netting we can get from the outside, or you can do it on the inside. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now that we did that, we're gonna switch to the outside view, and we're gonna show you guys how basically you put this thing away. So here we go. Earlier, poles, they go on the back half of the tent that does not, the side that stays flat, that does not fold. This is the side that folds. So now we just pull this, pull it on the other side here. Okay, now how this piece goes away is just like this. You just slide it in there like this, because you don't want to make it get caught. So just like that, that's how it goes away. Hook the red strap over on that side. You can close these two nettings. I personally don't. I leave them open and I shove all this excess tent here inside, just like this, so it doesn't overhang. So I just leave this on. Now we're getting ready to fold it back up. Fold it up, all you do is grab the ladder and push. Then you just lift, turn these, and then you just push the ladder, slides all the way forward, and then you just put this strap on. I'm still going to do it up, but just put that strap on. Probably the most difficult part about this whole setting up the tent process, and that's putting this cover back on. So I kind of just grab it and huck it. Alright guys, so that's it for this upload. I'm all sweaty, it's hot as balls out here. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, because we're going to be doing lots of camping content with this tent and how it does out in the elements. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more. Have a great day.
Pineapple dust.